Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Motivational lesson, simple English, no grammar rules. Hello, my friends. Welcome to this lesson. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important, something that many people feel scared about, something that many people want to improve. Today, we talk about speaking English with confidence, even without grammar, even without perfect words. This lesson is not about rules, not about tests, not about mistakes. This lesson is about your power, your courage, and your voice. So relax, take a deep breath, and listen. Many people think they must speak perfect English, perfect sentences, perfect grammar, perfect vocabulary, but this idea is wrong. You don't need perfect English to speak. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You don't need perfect English to connect with people. You need only one thing, the courage to open your mouth and speak. English is not about perfection. English is about expression. Your expression matters. Mistakes are not the enemy. Many learners feel scared of mistakes. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe your hands shake. Maybe your mind becomes empty. Maybe you think people will laugh at you. But listen carefully. Mistakes are your friends. When you make a mistake, your brain learns. When you repeat a phrase wrong, you learn the right one. When you speak with courage, you grow faster. Do not hide from mistakes. Work with them. Grow with them. Mistakes are signs that you are moving. A person who makes no mistakes is a person who never tries. Speak with simple English. Simple English is powerful English. Simple English is clear. Simple English is easy to understand. Simple English is confident. You don't need long words. You don't need complex sentences. You don't need advanced vocabulary. You need simple words with strong meaning like this. I want this. I like that. I feel happy. I feel sad. I need help. I can do this. The sentences are short, but they are strong. They can move your life forward. Maybe you don't believe it, but your voice has power. Your voice can change your future. Your voice can open doors. Your voice can bring opportunities. When you speak English, you don't only speak words, you speak confidence, you speak courage, you speak growth. Every time you speak, you become better. Every time you speak, you walk forward. Every time you speak, you show the world. I am learning. I am trying. I am improving. This is power. Speaking English is not magic. It is not one day. It is not 1 hour. It is a journey. You walk step by step. You grow day by day. You improve little by little. Small practice is better than big dreams. Small speaking every day can change your life. Maybe today you speak 1 minute, tomorrow maybe 2 minutes, next week maybe 5 minutes. This is how confidence grows. Confidence grows slowly, but confidence grows strongly. You can speak anywhere. You can speak English at home. You can speak English in the mirror. You can speak English in the shower. You can speak English while walking. You can speak English while cooking. You can speak English while sitting alone. You do not need a classroom. You do not need a teacher. You do not need perfect time. You need only your voice. Your voice is your greatest teacher. Your future is bright. Your future is full of opportunities. Your future is waiting for your English. Maybe you want a new job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to make friends. Maybe you want to grow stronger. Think about this. When you speak your native language, do you think of grammar rules? No, you just speak naturally. So, why try to learn English in a different way? Your brain is amazing. It knows how to learn a language without grammar books. When you hear English again and again, your brain starts to understand what sounds right, what sounds wrong, how sentences flow, which words go together, how English feels. This is called natural acquisition. This is how children learn. This is how you learn your first language. This is how you can learn English too. Listening is your superpower. If you want to learn English without grammar, remember this. Listen more than you study. Why? Because listening gives your brain examples, thousands of examples. These examples build your English automatically. You don't need to memorize rules. Your brain copies patterns. For example, you hear again and again, I want to go, I want to eat, I want to buy. Many learners think they must speak big English. No, speak simple English. Simple English is clear, easy, strong, good communication. Look at successful speakers. They don't use complicated sentences. They use simple, powerful English. Mistakes are your teacher, not your enemy. When you speak English, you will make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes mean you are trying, you are learning, you are growing. If you don't make mistakes, it means you are silent, and silence does not help you learn. So speak proudly, make mistakes proudly. Mistakes are the road to confidence. Use English like a tool, not like a subject. English is like a hammer, like a bicycle, like a camera. You use it to do something, to talk, to watch, to understand, to share, to live. You don't need to know the rules before you use it. You learn as you use it. Like riding a bicycle, you don't read a book first. You sit on the bicycle and try. You fall. You try again. Suddenly you can ride. English is the same. Learning without grammar takes time, not 7 days, not 30 days. But if you keep going, your listening becomes stronger. Your speaking becomes faster. Your confidence becomes bigger. Believe in yourself. Say this with me. I can learn English. I don't need perfect grammar. I learn every day. My English is growing. I am not afraid. I can do it. Your English journey is beautiful and it has already begun. I am proud of you, my friend. Keep going. You will succeed.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.